Hello, my dear Libra. Today we'll do the element for your zodiac sign. Fortune telling we will ask always for 3 decades of the months. We will look at the month of June 2021 year. Today we will be guessing in different format of card and in the Russian Lotto, which will give us numerology meeting. Let's see what awaits the Libra in the first decade. Card says that this is very good time for those who are civil servant. This is good time for medicine and teachers. This is a good time for people who work in construction business. You will have many project and interesting proposal. It will be hard work and good change. It's a good time for military because you may have big permutation and proposal associated with moving to another duty situation. This is good time for people who are in business, who conclude the tenders and work together with the state. You will have a decision on tenders. Interesting proportion from government servants who will ready to take on up to 50% of project. Let's see what awaits the Libra in the second decade. Cards said warn waiting for 5 to 7 years children are threatened with diabetes and rash. Straight for be careful and see what food do you give your children. During this period of time, the card tells the Libra to be careful when you get behind be well. Especially from 50 to 20, there may be a threat of accident and big loss of money due to your fall. Also, the card says that at this time there will be tension for those who work in legal processing. These are judge, protectors and lawyer. You need to be careful. You can make the wrong decision and then it will lead to change and will entail problem and reprimand for you. Let's see what awaits the Libra in the last decade from 20 to 30. At this time the card told for creative people. Who is creativity? You may have interesting and fatality meeting, which in the future will offer you interesting change in your life. Those you have a dream of for a long time. Libra that work for the client. During this period of time, you will finish work and receive a salary and incentive. This is a very good time for people who work in the field of beauty and medicine, who work in the field of dentist, those associated with the teeth and implant. You will have a very good income and you may have an interesting offer to go to study in order to make change in the future. Especially for doctor, it will be fatality. You will be able to open your own business such a month. Let's take a look at Russian Lotto in numerology. Let ask what the plans for June will tell us in numerology valute for wedding. June will be help understand the especially for Jupiter. This is 6. Jupiter give big change and promotion and job change. You can attract investor and resolve issue. From the 1st to the 10th, you have the patronage of Deuce to its Venus are life change decision for women. Men will want to be more attractive. You may want to have a plastic surgery or hair implantation. Have surgery to improve your appearance. Why do I separately focus on men? Because it is also a good time for women. For women who are pregnant, you may become pregnant. There are good diagnostic and good news about pregnancy. From 50 to 30, you have the patronage of the four. For this is land. The ears give us solid stability. You will understand what you want. You will be down to earth and responsible, but it will be also bring good household change in your life. This is the month of the Libra in the June 2021 year.